Good morning, everybody. This is David with Success Keeper, and I come here with another chapter from this great book called Affiliate Marketing Millionaire, written by Dave Sharp, the CEO of the legendary marketer. And in the previous two videos, I was recording the introduction and the first chapter. And in the last video, we started with some questions. Okay, but before I get into it, let me tell you what we do on this channel. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online. We talk about motivation and inspiration. If you like and enjoy my videos, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, The Success Keeper. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video. So in the last video I posted yesterday, and by the way, I am reading from this book that's not even published yet, okay? Because I like the information so much, I decided that I want to share it with you, especially those of you who are thinking or deciding to start online business. And in the last video, we finished with some questions. So I'm gonna read to you for a few minutes and share with you the content of this book because it's jam-packed with great information and I don't want you to miss out on that. So I want you to go, so Dave Sharp says, so I want you to go deep inside of your head and your heart and ask yourself, why are you doing this? Why do you want to start an online business? What will it do for you if you complete this challenge and get your own online business launched in 15 days? What do you want to do with the extra money, the extra time, the extra freedom it could give you? The answers to these questions are the real key to your success. If you don't spend the time answering this question first, you'll end up like so many people who start things but never finish them. So your assignment today is to complete the questions below and answer them honestly and courageously. Each chapter will have an assignment that I want you to complete. I assure you this is not just busy work. Each chapter will have a strategic assignment put in place to help you prepare to be successful with your own online business. I want you to complete these assignments exactly as I ask you to do and follow the instructions to a T. If you don't, you won't get the full benefits of this book. Now let me map out exactly how I'm going to help you get prepared to launch your business online in this book. The first thing we are going to do is lay the foundation for your mindset and your business model. I'm going to teach you super important stuff like the 3 most important things you need to do in your online business. You can basically screw everything else up and still succeed, except these 3 things. The number 1 business model to launch online. Simple ways to supercharge your business and scale it to higher profits. And how to create multiple streams of income. By the end of this book, you'll walk away with a solid and crystal clear foundation of how to quickly start and grow an online business of your own. You'll clearly know and understand top business models you can earn income online with. You'll know what your strengths and weaknesses are so you can focus on your strength and outsource your weakness to other people. You'll get a personalized business plan we will help you implement, or you can take and implement on your own. You'll be a part of a community of like-minded online marketers who will support you and cheer you on along the way. And by the time you read the last sentence in this book, you will have everything at your fingertips you need to start your own fulfilling and lucrative online business. Look, I am not going to promise you this book is going to give you a magical money machine, get rich quick scheme, or that you'll get rich overnight. because you won't. Any and all businesses are hard, take risk, and require a financial investment and time investment. But my question to you is, why are you doing this? And what do you have to lose? If your why is important or big enough, you'll do it. And if it's not, you won't. There's no need to bullshit each other. Let's just shoot straight. If your why, your reason for doing this is big enough, then invest in the next couple days of your life with Affiliate Marketing Millionaire. Build your dream online business without the hassle of creating products, hiring, or doing customer support. It's no-brainer. It was a no-brainer for thousands of people who have already gone through it. And I know it will be for you too, if you are willing to commit, to finish it, and if you are up for the challenge. So what do you say? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Take my 15-day online business builder challenge and I will help you develop a $1 million business plan and launch your affiliate marketing business in the next 15 days. And this is obviously not clickable here because I'm reading the online version. But you can log into legendarymarketer.com to claim your bonuses and to start today, to start your challenge. Affiliate Marketing Millionaire. Build your dream business without the hassles of creating your own product, hiring, or doing customer support. And we are about to start chapter 2. I'm gonna start this chapter 2 tomorrow, and we're gonna talk about number 1 business model, online income, okay? And so I'm gonna come back tomorrow and record another video. This was David with Success Keeper. Thank you for watching this video. And like I said before, if you enjoy this channel and my videos, I invite you to subscribe to my channel below and check out my number 1 recommendation for starting online business. I'm gonna leave a link below this video in the description box. Okay, you have a great day and I will speak with you tomorrow.